Moral rights are rights that artists have in their work that protect the non-economic and personal interests of artists. The idea comes from French law and was codified in American law in the Visual Artists' Rights Act of 1990 to meet the obligations of the Berne Convention, an international agreement protecting artistic works the United States had joined a few years earlier. Carter v. Helmsley Spear sculpted American case law on this topic. A mixed-use commercial building in Queens, New York, was owned by a general partnership and leased in 1990 to a limited partnership. The building's management company entered a one-year agreement in 1991 with 3 professional sculptors, including John Carter, who worked together to design and install sculptures and other permanent installations in the building. The company directed the location and installation of the work, and the artists had full authority over design. The agreement was extended twice. In 1994, the building's lease was terminated, and Helmsley Spear Incorporated became the building's managing agent. Representatives of the building's owner and Helmsley Spear told the artists they couldn't continue to install artwork on the property and had to vacate the building. The representatives intended to remove the work the sculptors had placed in the lobby, which was a large walk-through sculpture with multiple elements made of recycled materials affixed to the walls and ceiling, and a mosaic on the floor. The artists sued the building's owner and Helmsley Spear under the Visual Artists' Rights Act and sought to enjoin them from removing this artwork. The district court issued a temporary restraining order and later a preliminary injunction. After a bench trial, the court granted a permanent injunction for the lifetimes of the 3 artists to keep the work from being altered or removed. The other claims and counterclaims were dismissed. The building owner and managing agent appealed, and the artists cross-appealed the dismissals.